Mudhama links Ruto to hate speech arrest. Remember, we have the Pangani 6 and the Muthaiga 2. And according to Mudhama, Senator claims that the plot was hatched from State House by the Deputy President and Interior Cabinet Secretary in Kaiseri. Find out why he makes those allegations. On to page 6, Brexit, of course, is still something that we are likely to discuss for a while, and Kenya to seek fresh deals with Britain after the United Kingdom leaves the EU, East Africa, to negotiate new deals. And of course, we know some of the things that may affect us, may be the pound. Of course, some of the immediate effects of Brexit was that the pound shot down. And the dollar strengthened against the pound, and the pound was down. I think it has not been down that low for the last 30 years or so. So, of course, that has an effect, especially for our export market, for those flowers and horticultural products that we export to Britain. That would mean that we're getting less in the pocket from them. However, for those imports that we get, for instance, anybody who'd be importing cars from Britain means you get it for less right now compared to the shilling. So, of course, some of the effects that we are likely to see. On to page 8, the sad and tragic story of the boat that capsized, and families wait for bodies of musicians, some Ohangla musicians who are still missing, and the families have to wait. And apparently, according to some of the customs of the Luo community, which they belong to, they would have to wait on the shore until some of the bodies are found. Until all the bodies are found, they cannot move from there until all the bodies are found. So we do know that some of the government agencies are coming in to help out. We have the maritime officers coming in and seeing whether they can have divers go in to retrieve some of the bodies.